bird dogs, arms only. You're gonna be on your hands and your knees, and you're gonna try to keep your core as neutral as you can. So essentially your ribs are in line with your hips. We're going to inhale that big belly breath, try and get as much air in through the belly. And then as you exhale, you want to slightly engage that pelvic floor and the front of your hip, so you're pulling up as you lift. One arm straight up, come back down, inhale, and then exhale and lift, come back down. From the side, I'm keeping myself in a nice straight position. I'm going to inhale, exhale, and lift, come back down, inhale, exhale and lift, come back down. So the goal is to keep the rest of your body, your core and everything straight, and you're only moving that one arm